tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make kangaroo track pattern using Aboriginal patterns from Australia. First, you're going to want to get rid of your tutorial and then get rid of your cat. And then we're going to go down here and select the paintbrush. Then we want to select black as it is the traditional colour of these patterns. Then you want to select the paintbrush and just make it a little bit bigger. And this is going to be your left track. Then we're going to do the exact same thing, repeat, and this is going to be our right track. Now we have 2 tracks. Then you're going to want to go to code, and our challenge is to make it look like they're walking. I'm going to start with this right one, and then we're going to want to go to events, and then we're going to go to the green flag. So when the green flag does click, it's going to go over here. And then I'm going to go to motions and telling where it's going to go. So if I put it over here and I reset it, it will always go back here. Then I want it to take its first step and then make it look like it's walking. So now I'm going to tell it to go there. Then I'm going to select the left hand pattern, and we're going to go down to events, and we're going to grab that green flag again. And when it starts, I want it to be at that spot again. And I'm going to put that there, and then we're going to pull it all the way up here, and then we're going to test it. Yep, then it goes back there. I've got this one that will go to those spots, and I've got this one that will go to that spot. Then I want to move it up there for its second spot. I'm going to add this, and I don't want them to move at the same time, so I'm just going to add this second. So this one here didn't go back to its spot. So the reason it's doing that because it's going so fast that we can't see it. To fix this problem, we're going to put 1 second in between each one. Let's stop and start again. They are moving at the same time, so you're gonna have to have one a little bit off. They can do this, or you can make them go around. So for the next one, if you want, you can make it turn. Keep in mind you will have to do it the exact same thing on the other one too. So when they go forward, they will start to turn. And we can make them go this way, and we can add this 1 second to it, just like this. And we're going to add a turn. We're going to go back, and then we're going to add a second. Now they should be slightly turning an angle. Let's start. Now if we want to, we can climb down here and click this, and click pen and get a stamp to keep the tracks. And we'll drag the stamp right into this spot, and then we'll get another stamp and there, and then another stamp and put the stamp there. I'm going to go to the next one so you can see what it looks like from the beginning. Too easy.